Hi there, it's JT from JohnTassSoul.com and welcome to my Lucid review. Now, Lucid is a completely new product aimed at generating free organic traffic, and it's a training and information product from Ashley Parry and Betty Pine. The focus on traffic generation is through two of the hottest platforms out there. Instagram with over 1 billion active users and TikTok with around about 690 million users. Between these two platforms, you have access to around about a quarter of the Earth's population. This training and information product is delivered solely by Betty and is really detailed over-the-shoulder training designed to enable you to master traffic generation through these two platforms specifically. The training goes into great detail and is very clear and well delivered, and to be honest, it's probably the best presented training I've seen for a long time. Every step is covered, starting with a really clear in-depth look and explanation of why hashtags are so useful when it comes to marketing. In fact, this training by Betty is a reflection of her own learning and affiliate journey, and the freshness and relevance really shines through. And for just $12.95 for the front end, you can really master all the ins and outs of both Instagram and TikTok to potentially generate as many leads as you want, dictated obviously on your own personal commitment to take action. One word of warning here though, the front end price will rise as it has a built-in increase mechanism, so you will need to act fast if you want a real bargain. In this review video, I'm going to take you through Lucid's members area, and I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that will sort out the challenge we all face, which is growing our list affordably and with quality targeted buyers. So whether you're someone who's interested in completing product reviews or launch jacking or promoting products on Max Bounty or ClickBank, then you're likely to find tremendous value in the social media training. I will also give you my view on the pros and cons of this launch and take you through the upsells within the sales funnel. Now listen up, I've also got 4 value-added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. Now, these have been carefully put together by me so that you can make the most out of Lucid, and also complements Betty's training. And it gives you additional tools and information to help you make your money more quickly and also to scale up your online business. These handpicked bonuses are completely free and yours to keep if you click below through my link in the description of this YouTube video. I also have a mystery bonus which I'll tell you about separately towards the end of this video, and you'll not want to miss it, so stick with me until the end. When you click on the link below, it will take you straight to my bonus page, which looks like this. Right, so here we are on the bonus page. The first thing that I want to bring to your attention is this red button here at the top of the sales page. You'll see there that the bonuses that are available if you want to pick this up via my link are only going to be available until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Seaboard Time on the 27th of April. So if you want to pick this up, then you need to pick it up before that timeline on that date, because otherwise the bonuses come down. So what is Lucid? So if you're experiencing a lack of traffic or you want to build your list, then Lucid is the product that will enable you to do that by tapping into 1.7 billion potential buyers, and this will generate a wave of free traffic. And not only free traffic, but gives you the opportunity to then direct that traffic to pre-approved offers. So it is a step-by-step methodology. I've already mentioned that the quality of the videos, in my opinion, is excellent in terms of delivery and also content. And it is a fairly simple copy and paste method. You can use the program to benefit from 100% free traffic sources, and you take advantage of the two hottest platforms with exponential growth happening daily, and those two platforms are Instagram and TikTok. Your customers will learn to use free methods of getting recurring commissions. They've no need to get in front of the camera if that's not their thing, or speak at all if that's not what they want to do. They don't even need to write anything. Everything is done for you. All you literally do is cut and paste. And any beginner can have success with this method, but it also works for experienced people as well that are trying to develop and grow their list. So I quickly want to go through the front end and the upsells. So the front end is Lucid Premium at $12.95. I've already mentioned that this is on a dime sale, and what that means is that The $12.95 is to encourage early purchasers, but as time moves on, the price goes up slightly. So if you want to get it at the best price, you need to move quickly and make a decision fairly quickly if you want to pick it up. Upsell number 1 is how you can 10x your income at $37, and this shows you how to leverage your social media for free and bank commissions up to potentially $1,200, and they include a case study which shows the proof of this and underpins the fact that it's not just theory. Upsell number 2 is done for you at $67. This is where you can get a masterclass in email marketing, get a full professional written follow-up sequences, again just copy and paste, and you also get access to a library or a Rolodex of the best high converting offers to be able to use in conjunction with Lucid. Upsell number 3, limitless traffic at $97. This is where you can tap into the traffic of both Ashley and Betty and then potentially use their traffic to redirect wherever you want it to, and you can build your own audience and set up your own retargeting campaigns to be able to drive that traffic to wherever you want to. Then upsell number 4, which is reseller rights at $97. This is you can resell Lucid as if it were your own product, and that way you get to keep commissions across the whole funnel. So some additional benefits. This is a process complete autopilot. You'll need to set it up once, set it up and forget, and then it's newbie friendly, works in any niche. It's a good traffic method for 2021. You get full training, you get world-class support, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. So in terms of my bonuses, the first bonus is how you can use Lucid to promote big ticket sales. And this is where the real big boys hang out in terms of the big money, setting up webinars and then getting people to potentially go on to high ticket courses through those webinars. This course, which is a full course that was written not that long ago by Brendan Mace and John Armstrong, shows you how to work with big ticket events from end to end, so you can get into those bigger commissions, often over £1,000 per commission. Bonus number 2 is how to build an enormous list to utilize Lucid. So this gives you additional training and additional resources in order to use Lucid as a foundation to then build on to grow your list even more. Bonus number 3 is another full end-to-end course. This one was put together by Jonas Lindgren, and this is where you can potentially tap into YouTube. YouTube is probably the biggest area where you can potentially drive free traffic from videos that you post onto YouTube. Now, not everybody wants to get in front of camera. Not everybody feels comfortable about talking on camera. But Jonas's course shows you how you can overcome any fears you might have about that, and shows you how to actually build an authority YouTube site from end to end. So it's worth having, even if you are nervous about being on camera. There are still ways to get around that, so you don't have to do that. Bonus number 4 is using Lucid to monetize your online business. These are tips and strategies and techniques you can use in order to take Lucid to the next level in terms of monetizing your business from end to end. And then there are the bonuses that are provided by Betty and Ashley, which I'll talk you through when I go on the sales page. So remember, all you need to do to pick up any of these is click on any of these red buttons here. If you're not already a member of Warrior Plus, when you sign up for Warrior Plus, and that's fairly straightforward, all you do is go to Warrior Plus website, open an account and just follow the instructions. It's pretty straightforward and well explained. But you can access your purchases once you've got an account or when you've logged in through this green button here. So you'll be able to access your purchases plus any OTOs that you might have picked up. And my bonuses will be available if you click on this blue button underneath that. So that'll take you through to the bonus page where you can access my bonuses. So that's it for the bonus page. I'm now going to quickly switch over and take you through the sales page and give you a quick run through that before I take you into the members area. So I just want to do a quick run through the sales page. I've already shown you that because that was on my bonus page. You have a explanation video from Betty, who will tell you all about what to expect and what this program consists of. You've then got the red buy buttons on the page in order to purchase it should you wish to do that. You've then got 2 testimonials there, one from Johnny Rose, who was a Ministry of Freedom stalwart, and Lou Hornberger. I don't know what Lou is. I've not personally had any dealings with Lou. This is quite a there's a section here then from Ashley Parry, who's sort of sponsoring this. So he's a very experienced marketeer, and you often see his name at the top of most leaderboards. So he's the guy behind this, but Betty is the one that's actually doing the delivery. It's quite a long sales page. Just got some proof of earnings down here. Not massive figures, but you know, Betty will admit that in terms of she's relatively new to this game. She's put the thinking together in terms of how to generate income. This is evidence of the fact that she's been successful with that. The most fantastic sign you can see is this little thing here on the wallet on Warrior Plus. Every time you see a little number there, you know you've got some money coming into your little piggy bank. So that's the thing to look for. But obviously, the interesting thing is these are incremental increases. So you can see 82, then 91, 185, 219. So this is only really going in one direction. A typical sales page, fairly simple 3-step process. You activate the multiple included pre-approved offers. So these are hand-picked for you, so you know where to go to get decent commissions and conversions. Then step 2, which is literally just the copy and pasting and doing exactly what Betty tells you to do. And then it's just a matter of then banking the money and keep rinsing and repeating. So again, not going to go through all of this. So just to remind you that all you need to do is click one of these red buttons and it'll take you through to the payment details. And there we go. So I'm just going to quickly now flip over to the members area and give you a quick walk through that. Okay, so here we are now in the members area. I just want to take you through the layout and give you a bit of a feel for what's contained in here. So you've got a welcome by Ashley Parry, and then Ashley goes on to talk about potentially attending a free training workshop, which is by a high level affiliate. So the way that the process works generally with these is that you've got the modules on the left hand side, which you've got down here, and there's quite a few of them, and you've then got any explanatory videos here on the right hand side, but in this case you've just got Ashley's there. But when you go through to the introduction, so if I just click on the introduction, you then get a video that comes up, and that's got Betty on it. So you just click on the button, off it goes, and then Betty starts to talk. Welcome to Lucid, I'm Betty Pine, and it has been an absolute... So I'm not going to listen to much more of that, but again, you've got the opportunity then to sign up to Betty's Instagram as a follower, and also to Facebook. And then you've then got the modules themselves. So the first one is hashtags and how to use them. Then you go into link in bio, Linktree, beacons. I'm not going to take you through all of these, but you can see there's quite a number of modules. And then that's wrapped up with how you use TikTok for your advantage, posting to TikTok and posting to TikTok from your phone. You've then got a conclusion video in terms of what's coming up next and how to scale. Then some evidence there from a case study. And then you've got the upgrades and the opportunities and also the bonuses. So just quickly go through these bonuses. So bonus number 1, so these are the vendors bonuses. Bonus number 1, 2k a day live training. So this is an exclusive invite to a high ticket affiliate. Bonus number 2 is when you get 20% discount on the first upgrade only if you purchase today. Bonus number 3, access the method that made thousands online. Bonus number 4 is instant access to training, which will help you make money right now. Bonus number 5 is a products bundle, absolutely free, worth $997. So once you purchase this, if you decide to purchase this and you go into the members area, then you can access all of your bonus through these links here. So a lot of modules, nice clean interface. very well put together, excellently presented in my opinion. Everything can be understood and all of the steps are clear and explanatory in terms of telling you exactly what you need to do. So it's just literally stick to the training, follow the training, but most importantly, implement. So I'm now going to conclude on that note. Right, so this brings me to the end of my review of Lucid. Now, I did say that I would summarise the pros and the cons. Lucid is a well put together training and information product and is packed out with valuable information, tools and insights on how to maximise the use of TikTok and Instagram. It helps you to achieve success online. I would also go as far to say that without putting training like this into action, then the ability for you to achieve success is likely to take you much longer unless you dip into your pocket and you fork out for paid ads. And even that, there's an associated risk that sits with the strategy of paid ads. Even with just a front end, you'll be able to put in place a solid business foundation and move forward quickly and in markets that are massively untapped. Also, having worked through the material in here myself, I feel that there's also a great deal in here, even if you're a more experienced affiliate marketer who still is looking for that holy grail of unlimited traffic. Lucid has everything in it that you could possibly need to really take off and increase your earnings capability significantly. The training content is user-friendly and it's easy to understand and use. And if I could bottle Betty's enthusiasm, passion and energy, I would be promoting that and making a fortune tomorrow instead of doing product reviews. There's a tremendous amount of knowledge and experience packed in here, and if you're quick and if you're an action taker, then for the price of a haircut, now we can have them, unlike me of course who has no hair, then you will potentially be getting your hands on information that could fundamentally improve your ability to make serious money. So what are the downsides? I cannot really see any other than the fact, and Betty admits this in the training, that she already had a number of followers in both Instagram and TikTok to start out with. So you need to factor that in your expectations in achieving the evidence of proof in the case study. I'm not saying it cannot be done, I'm merely stating that most purchasers will be coming at this with no following initially on both those platforms. So you'll need to factor that in. There is also another factor, of course, which affects all of us shiny object addicts, and that's staying focused and to systematically work through the modules and not skip any steps. Most important of all, actually implementing the steps. The real value of Lucid is that it will help you address the real breakthrough point in internet marketing, which is building a proven buyers list. Now on the subject of great bonuses, I've been given access to arguably one of the top SEO specialists in the affiliate marketing world, and I'm able to share at no cost to you his high-end website creation training blueprint with anyone who purchases just one of the OTOs. All you need to do is send me a screenshot of your Lucid email OTO purchase receipt from Warrior Plus, and I will send you the bonus access details. I've created a link specifically for this down below. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses and feel free to come back to my bonuses once you've checked out what other Lucid reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. Now I do hope that you found this review of Lucid useful and in some small way I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in it or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then pick this up via my link below, and please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I wish you every success in your affiliate marketing journey. Please stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best.